Chewing cloves daily can offer several health benefits due to their rich nutritional and medicinal properties. Here are 10 benefits. 1. Boosts digestion. Cloves stimulate digestive enzymes, improving digestion and reducing bloating, gas, and nausea. 2. Enhances oral health. Their antibacterial properties help fight bad breath, gum infections, and toothaches. Clove oil is often used in dental care. 3. Improves respiratory health. Cloves have expectorant properties that can help clear mucus and ease symptoms of cough, asthma, and bronchitis. 4. Strengthens the immune system. Rich in antioxidants, cloves help fight free radicals and strengthen the body's defense against infections. 5. Regulates blood sugar levels. Cloves may help manage blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for people with diabetes. 6. Supports liver health. The antioxidants in cloves help detoxify the liver and protect it from oxidative stress and inflammation. 7. Reduces inflammation and pain. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural compound with anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. 8. Aids in weight management. They boost metabolism and improve digestion, which may aid in weight loss. 9. Improves heart health. Cloves help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. 10. Enhances skin health. Their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help treat acne, blemishes, and skin infections. Chewing 1 or 2 cloves daily can be beneficial, but excessive consumption may lead to side effects. Would you like tips on how to include cloves in your daily routine?